If you're looking for a full-body workout that revs your heart rate and strengthens your muscles, vertical climbing checks all the boxes. The workout mimics rock climbing, but often at a faster pace, and requires you to use your upper body as well as your lower half to move the steps and handlebars at a decent speed. In just a few seconds, it gets you breathing heavily, torching calories, and toning muscles, all while going easy on the joints. Number 3. Maxi Climber XL 2000 Hydraulic Resistance Vertical Climber. Turn up the burn on your vertical climbing workout with this machine, which features various resistance levels. Choose from 12 different intensities for a challenge no matter your fitness level. The aluminum frame gives you the sturdiness you need but keeps it more lightweight. Meanwhile, the roller design makes this advanced climber run smoother and quieter than the regular maxi climber. The flexible pedals also allow for more ankle mobility as you climb. Number 2. Relife Rebuild Your Life Vertical Climber. When fully set up, this vertical climber spans 37.5 inches deep, 28 inches wide, and up to 85 inches high. Folded up, it's even smaller and can come down in height to reach 69 inches. When using the machine, increasing the height means you up the difficulty of the exercise. Just make sure you don't overstretch yourself. This machine also has a few features that help prevent wear and tear over time, such as a nylon liner and metal guide rails, both of which help to keep the climber quiet as you move. Number 1. Maxi Climber, the original patented vertical climber. This freestanding vertical climbing machine adjusts to your height so you're in a comfortable, upright position as you break a sweat. It can hold up to 240 pounds safely, comes almost fully assembled, and easily folds up so you can store it out of the way when you're not using it. The foam handlebars offer a firm, easy grip while the foot pedals have lugs to keep you from slipping as you climb quickly.